Sweet vinegar coleslaw is a sweet and tangy non-mayo based coleslaw that makes a great addition to any barbecue or cookout. I think it is maybe my very favorite coleslaw recipe. Combine 3/4 cup sugar, 3/4 cup vegetable oil, 3/4 cup apple cider vinegar in a medium saucepan. Bring to a boil and reduce heat. Stir to dissolve sugar, then add 1½ teaspoons of celery seed, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Next, add 1 sliced onion and gently simmer for 1 minute. Add half a green bell pepper thinly sliced and simmer 1 more minute. Remove from heat. Place 2 bags of shredded coleslaw mix in a large bowl. Pour the hot sugar mixture over the coleslaw mixture. Stir to mix well. Refrigerate for at least 4 hours or overnight. This slaw goes perfectly with all of your cookout favorites. Find the full recipe at SpicySouthernKitchen.com.